Hi, I'm Greg Baribault. I'm part of the product group that builds Teams meetings and devices here at Microsoft. Thanks for joining me at The Hive, Microsoft's lab for design and validation of new technologies for workspaces and meeting rooms for our employees around the world. Here we'll explore how Teams Rooms gives every employee a seat at the table, whether they're working remotely or at the office. How it makes every meeting quick and easy to join, predictable to navigate and control. How hybrid meetings can be the most inclusive and productive, using all of Teams' amazing sharing and collaboration features. And how we're advancing the benefits of AI to make rooms smarter, to deliver on the emerging needs of modern work. Bringing together our ecosystem of devices with an app built by Microsoft, Teams Rooms puts the full Teams experience in any room of any size and any use. From the focus room to the boardroom and everything in between. Teams Rooms is a secure platform designed specifically for use in shared settings, managed and monitored in the Teams Admin Center to ensure rooms are always up to date and ready to use. For your employees, Teams panels outside the room makes it easy to locate the perfect available meeting space, reserve it, and check in. And once there, Teams Rooms means an app experience that's familiar, so no learning curve. And unlike so-called bring-your-own-device rooms, where everyone is reliant on your personal PC, there's no more hunting around for the right connector to project your laptop, and no distracting notifications popping up on the screen, no dialing meeting codes on conference bridges, and no howling speakers. Just seamless and instant meeting starts, interactive sharing, productive collaboration, and most importantly, a genuine human connection between all participants. When I think back to the meetings we joined a couple years ago, they were mostly attended in person with a handful of remote participants. For those of us in the room, you could easily see who was there with you, and you knew who they were. There was a sense of genuine connection just by being in the same room as one another. Over the last 2 years, the center of gravity for meetings has shifted to online. Many of us have been fully remote in that time, and our expectations about how we appear to others, how our presence and identity are visible to everyone have shifted as well. We now expect to be able to see every person and have them clearly see us up close. And we expect to be able to engage and communicate more naturally, even if we're not actively speaking. Now, I'm going to say something controversial. True meeting equity between in-room and remote participants should not be our goal. I say that because to truly achieve meeting equity between people in the room and people working remotely, it would mean finding the lowest common denominator experience in each. Instead, we want to bring the best attributes of being in a room with others together with the best attributes of being online from your own personal device. Doing so will make hybrid meetings the most inclusive, productive, personal, and connected meetings possible. I'd like to show you how. Let's take a look.